Gerald Randolph Anderson Jr., born March 7, 1989, is a Filipino actor, model, dancer, and basketball player. He is managed and under contract to Star Magic, ABS-CBN's home-based talent agency, recognized as the action drama prince of Philippine industry. He is one of the most bankable leading men of his generation. Anderson was discovered by Joris Gamboa when Gamboa performed in Anderson's hometown. Gamboa introduced him to his manager, John Reyes, who brought him to ABS-CBN for the first season of Pinoy Big Brother, Teen Edition. Anderson and the other housemates entered the Big Brother house on April 23, 2006. After 42 days, he was named Teen Third Big Placer on the show. In the spotlight, the girls who held Gerald Anderson's heart. Anderson previously dated former on-screen partner and fellow housemate in Pinoy Big Brother, Kim Chiu, which ended in 2010. In 2013, he had a relationship with actress Maya Salvador, which lasted for 2 years. In 2016, Anderson dated actress and How to Be Yours co-star Bea Alonzo. They had previously dated in 2010, but rekindled their romance after starring together in the movie. The couple broke up in 2019 behind allegations of infidelity involving actress Julia Barreto, as well as ghosting and gaslighting. In March 2021, during a tell-all interview with Boy Abunda, Anderson confirmed his relationship with Barreto, expressing that she was a major source of happiness for him. He also addressed issues behind his past relationship with Alonzo, clarifying that the breakup was due to the toxic and unhealthy nature of their time together. Anderson explained that the relationship had reached a point where his attempts to communicate and resolve issues were not being respected or accepted, leading him to walk away from the situation. He acknowledged that while he didn't want to label either of them as toxic, the relationship had become unsustainable. Inside the grandiose three-story house of Gerald Anderson, even celebrities like Gerald Anderson look forward to building their own dream homes. In fact, in an interview with Yes magazine, Gerald shares that he would always visit the construction site, where his three-story place would eventually stand. He was actually so excited to move in that he eventually slept on a mattress in the empty house. After seeing the modern bachelor pad for ourselves, it's easy to see why Gerald was so enamored with it. Here are the things that we love best about his Quezon City dwelling. It is already a milestone for the 28-year-old actor, who has been in show business for more than a decade, of possessing such grandiose property. His house, located in Quezon City, measures about 312 square meters. It is built with a masculine and modern design. According to Real Living Philippines, Gerald Anderson's house was built by architect Noel Wardizabal-Tugas, while its interior was designed by Enlali. The impressive facade. We are often told that first impressions last. With this in mind, it is important for the exteriors to be just as appealing as the interiors of the home. For Gerald's three-story house, architect Noel Wardizabal-Tugas used straight lines, huge glass windows, and a curvilinear roof. The front door was made in Pampanga using narrow wood. It was a gift from one of Gerald's fans. The special details in the living area. Gerald wanted an accent wall made from 30 by 60-inch granite tiles with a cloudy gray color. The space becomes even more interesting because of the Isamu no Gucci center table. The designer piece with a distinctive solid wooden base and a curved glass top was a present from Kim Chiu. Interior designer Enlali completed the area with an Arco lamp and a pair of wrought iron chairs. Made in Pampanga, the inviting dining area, since people often spend a lot of time in the dining area, it must be a place where they can feel comfortable and relaxed. This particular spot feels warm and cozy because of the wooden touches and simple furniture pieces, including the long benches. These long benches feel more casual than old-fashioned and traditional dining chairs. The useful kitchen and breakfast nook, instead of using the formal dining table every day, it can be more practical to simply enjoy meals at a small dining table or tiny breakfast nook. A table for four is easier to set and clean more often. It helps create a more intimate dining experience. 2. The cozy entertainment area. Most men dream of having a space where they can put their feet up, indulge with their favorite comfort food, and watch the latest shows. Gerald can do just that in this entertainment area on the second floor. The space is completed with a 65-inch flat-screen Panasonic TV. On a shelf above the TV are bobblehead figures also given by Kim. As a fitting final touch, the room is decorated with a framed poster of Gerald and Kim's 2010 film. Pano Nakaya. Bedroom. The personal touch is in the master bedroom. The master bedroom is filled with finds that have sentimental value. The painting on the wall above the headboard is a portrait of the actor by Lex Marcos. It was based on the character he played in Taong Dalawa. The expensive temper mattress on the bed is another gift from one of the Kapamilya actor's fans. Finally, the leather sofa is something that Gerald bought while on a shopping spree with Kim. The unique double-deck bed in Kenneth's bedroom. The bedroom of Gerald's younger brother Kenneth is furnished with a one-of-a-kind double-decker bed. Gerald explains that he saw a similar bed in a magazine and decided to have a similar bed made. He adds that it is perfect for his brother because Kenneth's friends often sleep over. It is built with a double-decker bed. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.